Alright guys, we're gonna set up the LBP beacon servers. Let's frickin' do this, guys. Let's do this! So we're gonna start off, we're gonna skip the tutorial, we don't need that, okay? We don't need that. And we're gonna go to, if you have the game already on your emulator, don't worry about that step. So we are gonna connect it to beacon, so our first step is we're gonna go into Rpcs3, and we're gonna go into configuration. You can hit GPU to bring you to the menu faster, but we're gonna go to network. And then when we're in network, we are gonna make sure that that is set to 8888, that is set to 0000. That'll be enabled by default, but we need to enable UPnP, so that should be enabled. Your status should be RPCSN, and your country is the US. Okay, so that's out of the way. Our next step is we're gonna get a refresher. We're gonna go to GitHub, and then we're gonna go down here. We're gonna get a refresher. I use Windows, so we're gonna hit the setup for Windows. Alright, I have it already. So this is the refresher. First it'll ask you to set it up, and that's what you'll do. You'll set it up. Just to show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna patch LBP 1, 2, or 3 for Rpcs3. Alright, now we're in the menu. So we're gonna go browse. Pretend like I never added that on there. So where I have my PS3 folder, where Rpcs3 is in, that's what we're gonna use. So we're gonna go to dev hdd0, and then that's all we need. We're gonna select the folder, and then it should bring up our games. Okay, so we're going to find out what version of Littlebigplanet we're using. In my case, number 2. Because I already set up number 3, we're going to use number 2. So I'm on the 1.21 update. And I'm using the European version, BCES. So I'm going to look for that. Right here, BCES, but yeah, this is the one we're going to use. And I should be on the latest update, so it's probably going to be this one, if I had to guess. Okay. Now, we are going to add the link it will tell us. I have this in your... This is your join key. So you're going to copy it. We're going to go down to the refresher. And we're going to paste it. There you go, beacon, lbpunion.com, and we're going to patch it. Yep, we can auto-discover, it doesn't matter. Okay, now it's patched. Okay, so it's patched. That's done. Your next step is you are going to create an RPCSN account. So you're going to go here, configuration, and you're going to RPCSN. It'll say create an account. I don't have to help you on this because this part's easy, it's self-explanatory. You're going to create your account, and then you're going to go to your email address and you're going to verify it. Okay? And just remember your account name. So that's my name, so remember your name. And this is what we're going to do next. We're going to create our beacon account. We're going to go Rpcs3. And then we're going to create our... We're going to use... Obviously, we already have an RPCSN account at this point. So we're going to create our beacon account now. The beacon registration page. And then you're going to type in your PS3 name. Mine's Stretch Cash, right? I don't have to type this in because I already have an account, but I'm just going to show you as a reference. Your email address, what@whatever.com, password, and then confirm, and then it'll ask you for a 2-factor verification code, okay? So it'll be a QR code, and what you are going to do is you are going to get this app on your phone that is called Google Authenticator, and with that app, you're gonna scan it. You're gonna scan the QR code that's on your computer screen. And when you do, it should bring up 6 digits, and you're gonna type that into the website. You're gonna go to Rpcs3, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna use LBP3 for the remainder of this example because it's the same thing. So press Manage Patches. It's the same. Alright, so we're gonna go over to where it says here. So pretend like this is LBP2. It'll say refresh your patch, and then we'll hit apply, and then we'll hit save, and then we'll load the game. We're gonna need Google open though. Okay. Now go back to the Google page. Now we can go over here, authentication, and then it will ask us an RPCS link was logged at whatever, and then it'll say, do you approve this? You hit approve. Then you linked. Yeah, and then we'll get this announcements page. It'll say welcome, blah blah blah, your LBP unions. Yeah, whatever, skis. And yeah, you can go in the community. We can even search up whatever we want. I would like to search up 3D imports, because a lot of people imported 3D models like at the end of this game's life cycle. 3D import. Okay, so that one's not there, but that's okay. Oh right, it was either import or model you can do. Or you can just search up model in the past. Yeah, there we go, 3D models giveaway. Why not? We'll just check this out for the time being. Oh, so this is a fake one. This is just the normal stuff. Yeah, so they probably on purpose. So Beacon is like in the past was actually just like a big LVP level suggester kind of deal. So that's what they did in the past. And oh, and as you see, we got time savers and stuff. This is what I used to do. I used to get time savers, and I did for this game just to get LVP2 stuff because I used the UK copy, and that was my problem. It was the UK copy of the game. That's why it didn't work. But I'm happy I figured that out. But yeah, it works just like this. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's that.